For the next technology I want to cover, I chose EdPuzzle, which had been recommended to me multiple times by my colleagues. And as you can see with EdPuzzle, you can choose videos that have already been done, but you can also upload your own videos and basically turn them into quizzes. So I wanted to use EdPuzzle for basically all of my classes for when I have a substitute. Um, because it lets me choose a video and then um, at certain points have a question pop up, it's easier to assess students' learning and also ensure that they're doing something while you're away. So I thought that this was a pretty great software technology that could be used with multiple different students for a variety of different subject matters and different grade levels that I teach. I really like that you can use ones that have already been done as well as create your own. So for this one, for this technology, I was really interested in um, using it, like I said, for all of my different classes and helping keep track of them doing work when I'm away. Um, this is aligned with two ISTE standards, the first one being 3.1a, which is to ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs, and then 3.3e, which is develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time, which this technology allows me to do.